Well, now you were saying some things to me, saying that I was playing with my sanity. And the raindrops came running right down your face. I saw the glimmer in your eye. I was okay. You are all I see when I lose parts of me. And what, oh what a dream this is, sweet babe. I think we should kiss. We should kiss and chase the bliss.
The rains came down from the heavens
of all that is.
The light reflected from your eyes.
Share experience.
I can see our reflections. I suppose
running down my cheeks. I was free, but I remembered the past and the present happenings, and the future is you and me, because it doesn't exist in this dream. We are what we are, yeah, you and me are made of the same things. Oh, sweet baby.